The action camera market in 2025 is more competitive than ever, with innovative brands challenging GoPro's long-standing dominance. From stunning 8K resolution to AI-powered stabilization and compact designs built for extreme adventures, this year's top models redefine what action cameras can do. Whether you're a thrill seeker, vlogger, or outdoor enthusiast, our guide dives into the best options, revealing why GoPro has been dethroned and which cameras are stealing the spotlight.
Number 5. Insta360 Go 3S. The Insta360 Go 3S earns its spot as the 5th best action camera of 2025 with its ultra-compact, wearable design, perfect for creators seeking discretion and versatility. Weighing just 39 grams, this tiny camera delivers 4K video at 30 FPS, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's 2.7K limit, capturing vibrant colors and sharp details in well-lit conditions. Its unique action pod, featuring a flip-up touchscreen, transforms the Go 3S into a vlogging powerhouse, offering intuitive framing for selfies or POV shots. The camera's flow state stabilization ensures buttery smooth footage, even during intense activities like mountain biking or skateboarding, while the new MegaView mode reduces fisheye distortion for a natural look. Waterproof up to 33 feet without a case, it matches GoPro's Hero 13 Black in water resistance, making it ideal for shallow dives or rainy adventures. The Go 3S supports creative features like gesture control and AI-powered editing, streamlining post-production for social media content. However, its 1,127 mAh battery lasts only about 38 minutes at 4K, and low-light performance lags behind larger sensor competitors like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The lack of 8K or high frame rate slow-motion options limits its appeal for professional filmmakers, and the small sensor struggles with dynamic range in high-contrast scenes. Mounting options are robust, with magnetic and adhesive mounts included, but the proprietary action pod can feel bulky for minimalist setups. Priced at around $399 for the 128GB version, the Go 3S is a niche choice for creators prioritizing portability over raw power, shining in scenarios where larger cameras feel intrusive. Its innovative design and solid feature set make it a compelling pick for casual adventurers and vloggers in 2025.
Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 4. Ranking 4th, the DJI Osmo Action 4 remains a strong contender in 2025, offering a balance of performance and value despite being overshadowed by newer models. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it records 4K video at up to 120 FPS, delivering crisp, detailed footage with excellent dynamic range, especially in daylight. Its rock-steady 3.0 stabilization rivals GoPro's Hypersmooth, ensuring smooth shots during high-speed pursuits like cycling or skiing. Waterproof to 59 feet without a case, it outperforms the GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in underwater durability, with a dedicated mode optimizing colors for aquatic footage. The 1,770 mAh battery provides up to 160 minutes of 1080p recording, outlasting the Insta360 Go 3S and Ace Pro 2. Dual touchscreens, including a 1.4-inch front display, make framing shots intuitive, while seamless integration with the DJI Mic 2 ensures superior audio quality for vlogging. The Action 4's 10-bit D-Log-M color profile offers flexibility in post-production, appealing to creators seeking cinematic results. However, its 4K resolution cap feels limiting compared to the 8K of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 or the 5.3K of the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and low-light performance, while improved over earlier models, doesn't match the Action 5 Pro's Super Night mode. The lack of internal storage and a slightly dated interface are minor drawbacks. Priced at around $299, often discounted in 2025, it's a budget-friendly alternative to pricier flagships. With robust mounting options and a rugged build, the Osmo Action 4 is ideal for adventurers who need reliability without breaking the bank, cementing its place as a practical, high-value choice.
Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 secures third place in 2025, pushing boundaries with its 8K video and innovative features, making it a favorite for creators craving high-resolution footage. Co-engineered with Leica, its 1/1.3-inch sensor captures 8K at 30 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, with active HDR and pure video modes enhancing dynamic range and low-light performance. The 157-degree Leica Summerit lens delivers sharp, vibrant imagery, though colors can appear slightly exaggerated compared to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro's natural tones. Flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock ensure rock-solid footage, even in chaotic scenarios like motocross or surfing. The standout 2.5-inch flip-up touchscreen simplifies vlogging, offering unmatched framing flexibility over the static screens of GoPro and DJI rivals. Waterproof to 39 feet without a case, it's suitable for snorkeling, though it trails the Action 5 Pro's 66-foot rating. The 1,800 mAh battery records up to 100 minutes at 4K 30 FPS, but falls short of DJI's endurance. AI features like gesture control and clarity zoom, 2x at 4K, add creative flair. Though 8K mode limits stabilization and field of view, low-light footage shines brighter than the GoPro Hero 13 Black but doesn't outclass the Action 5 Pro's Super Night mode. Audio quality, bolstered by a wind guard, excels for motovlogging, outperforming rivals at high speeds. Priced at $399, it's on par with the Hero 13 Black, but pricier than the Action 5 Pro. Despite a softer image at times and a bulkier build due to the flip screen, the Ace Pro 2's versatility, high resolution, and user-friendly interface make it a top pick for professional vloggers and action enthusiasts in 2025. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black takes second place in 2025. No longer the undisputed king, but still a versatile powerhouse for action camera enthusiasts. Its 1.9-inch sensor records 5.3K video at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps, with hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization, delivering silky smooth footage for everything from skydiving to trail running. The 8:7 aspect ratio offers unmatched cropping flexibility for social media, while 10-bit HLG HDR and a flat log profile cater to color graders. New lens mods, including macro and anamorphic options, add creative versatility, though they increase costs. Waterproof to 33 feet without a case, it's solid for shallow water, but requires housing for deeper dives, unlike the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The 1900 mAh Enduro battery lasts up to 2.5 hours at 1080p, competitive but outdone by DJI's flagship. Dual LCD screens, including a 2.27-inch rear touchscreen, ensure easy navigation, though DJI's OLED displays feel more vibrant. Audio is decent with voice isolation, but wind noise struggles without an external mic like the DJI Mic 2. Low-light performance lags behind Insta360 and DJI rivals, lacking a dedicated night mode. The Hero 13 Black's GPS and data overlay features appeal to athletes tracking speed or altitude, and its extensive accessory ecosystem remains unmatched. Priced at $399, it's tied with the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, but pricier than the Action 5 Pro. While its sensor feels dated and image quality doesn't lead the pack, the Hero 13 Black's rugged build, refined software, and brand reliability make it a go-to for creators who value ecosystem compatibility and all-around performance in 2025.
Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Claiming the top spot as the best action camera of 2025, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro dethrones GoPro with its stellar performance, affordability, and robust features. Its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor captures 4K video at 120 FPS with a 40-megapixel stills capability, outpacing the GoPro Hero 13 Black's 27 megapixels. Rocksteady 3.0 plus stabilization rivals Hypersmooth, delivering fluid footage for intense activities like snowboarding or motocross. The Action 5 Pro's Super Night mode and 13.5 stop dynamic range excel in low light, surpassing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and Hero 13 Black, making it ideal for dawn or dusk shoots. Waterproof to 66 feet without a case, it's the best for underwater adventures. With a 2.5-inch OLED rear screen and 1.46-inch touch-sensitive front display, offering vivid, responsive control. The 1,950 mAh battery records up to 4 hours at 1080p, outlasting all competitors, while 47 gigabytes of internal storage, unique among these models, adds convenience. Seamless DJI Mic 2 integration ensures crisp audio, perfect for vlogging, though stock wind noise reduction trails the Ace Pro 2. The 10-bit D-Log M profile provides excellent post-production flexibility, and dual OLED screens enhance usability. Priced at $349, it undercuts the $399 Hero 13 Black and Ace Pro 2, offering better value. Drawbacks include a 4K resolution cap lacking the 8K of the Ace Pro 2 or 5.3K of the Hero 13 Black, and a slightly less intuitive app compared to GoPro's Quick. Its rugged cage and freeze-proof design, -20 degrees, make it the most durable, ideal for extreme conditions. For its price, battery life, low-light prowess, and all-around excellence, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is the ultimate action camera for creators and adventurers in 2025.